Good morning, students. So today I am going to deal with some more problems based on linear programming problem graphically. That is word problem. ನಿನ್ನೆವರೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ some word problems are given. First we have to convert into algebraically, then solve LPP graphically. Look here. Now here problem number 9 says one kind of cake require 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, and another kind of cake require 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. Find the maximum number of cake which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no storage of other ingredient used in making the cake. Solve it graphically. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. One kind of cake, there are two kinds of cake. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 200 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬೇಕು, 25 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅನದರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬೇಕು, 50 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅವ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಕ್ವಶನು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇಫ್ 5 kg ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, 1 kg ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. 5 kg ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇದ್ದು 1 kg ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ 5 kg ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್, 1 kg ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್? ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ find the maximum number of cakes. We don't know how much ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Now let us assume that let the number of cake made of one kind, first kind of cake be x number of cakes and second kind of cake be y number of cakes. Okay, then you make some columns. First column type, there are two kinds. Then second column number of cakes. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Then third column flour required in gram, fourth column fat required in gram. Now type number 1 means first kind of cake. Now let x number of cakes is made from first kind of cake. First kind of cake here ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? x number of cakes. Second kind of cake number of cakes be y. So first kind of cake ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 200 gram of flour. For one kind of cake be x, let x number of cakes. For 200 gram of flour required means 200x. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 25 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 25x. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ಬಿ ಸೇ y. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದು ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100y. ದೆನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ 50y. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್, ಟೋಟಲ್ x plus y. Now total fat required 200x plus 100y. Then that is flour required. Fat required 25x plus 50y. Okay. Now here the given statement can be expressed in algebraically. Find the maximum number of cakes. That is maximize z is equal to total number of cakes x plus y. Subject to the constraints. There are two constraints, flour constraints, fat constraints. Flour 200x plus 100y. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಿದೆ? flour constraints. Find the maximum number of cake which can be made from 5 kg of flour. Maximum 5 kg, not more than 5 kg. That is less than or equal to 5 kg. Now to convert kg into gram, ಇದನ್ನು ಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5000. That is at the most 5000 gram, not more than 5000, either 5000 or less than 5000. Whereas fat required nodri 25x plus 50y, again at the most yesterday 1 kg, convert in gram 1000. This is floor constraints. This is floor constraints. This is fat constraints. Both number of cakes should be positive value. Okay. So, maximize z is equal to sum of the cakes. Maximum number of cakes be x plus y, subject to floor constraints 200x plus 100y, at the most 5 kg. To convert kg into gram 5000. Then fat constraints 25x plus 50y, at the most 1 kg. 1 kg is nothing but 1000 gram. Okay. Now here further simplify, that is z is equal to, rearrange, z is equal to maximize z is equal to x plus y, subject to constraints 200x plus 100y less than or equal to 5000. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 100 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 100, 2x plus y, 2x plus y at the most 50. This is first, this is second inequality. Here in fat constraints, common number is 25, divide by 25, x plus 2y at the most, divide by 25, that is 40. Both first kind of cake and second kind of cake should be positive, more than or equal to 0. Then to calculate maximum value of z graphically. Now here first step, graph of, convert given inequality into an equation. 2x plus y is equal to 50. ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೀಗ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ದೆನ್ x plus 2y is equal to 40. Now to find x and y, solve x and y, x, y, put x equal to 0, this is 0, y value 50. Conversely, y is equal to 0, x value 50 by 2, 25. Here, to find x and y, put x is 0, this is 0, 2y is 40, y is 20. Put y is equal to 0, x is 40. Therefore, points are 4 points. A is a point 0, 50, B be a point 25, 0, C be a point 0, 20, and D be a point 40, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now draw the graph. Let x and y axis, O is the origin. Scale, take 1 centimeter is equal to 5 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 5 units. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Scale in ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay. Then locate those points. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. X is equal to 0, y is 50. Here, this is A point, x is 0, y is 50. B point 25, 0. This is B point. Correct? Join AB. Both inequalities are slack inequality. Thick line. So first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 50. Right? Next, C is the point 0, 20. 0, 20. This is C point 0, 20. D point 40, 0. Here. Correct? 40, 0. Again, join CD. It is slack inequality. Its equation is x plus 2y is equal to 40. We got two lines. Now there are two planes, upper half plane, lower half plane. Then shade the region. ಈಗ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವೆದರ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಲೋವರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ? ನೌ put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Put x is 0, y is 0 in given inequality. Put x is 0, y is 0 in inequality 2 and 3. 2 into 0, 0. Here 0. 0 is less than 50. Yes. Here 0 is less than 40. Yes. So 0, 0 satisfies inequality 2 and 3. Therefore, solution region contains the origin. Contains the origin means towards the origin. Towards the origin. Origin ಸಮೀಪವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನ್. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನಾ? ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? This is common portion. Okay, there are four corner points C, O. Here these two lines intersect at the point E. Then to find the coordinates of point E. Coordinates of point E ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? By using inspection method or by solving those two equations. That is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20, 30. 20, 10. 20, 10. Okay. Now here O, C, E, B is bounded. B double D means bounded. Feasible region. Feasible region. Okay. Then make two columns. Corner point, maximize z is equal to x plus y. There are four corner points. Correct? So first corner point origin 0, 0. Second corner point C is the point 0, 20. Right? Next E is the point 20, 10. Okay. Then B is the point 25, 0. Now maximize z is equal to, put x is 0, y is 0, that is 0. Z is equal to, put x is 0, y is 20, 0 plus 20, 20. Put x is 20, y is 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Put x is 25, y value 0, 25 plus 0, 25. Among those, which one is biggest? 30. Therefore, maximum value of z is equal to 30 at the corner point. At the corner point, yesterday E is the point 20, 10. It means 20 number of cakes for first kind, 10 number of cakes for second kind, okay, to made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat. 5 kg ಹಿಟ್ಟು 1 kg ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 10 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, 1 ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ 200 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಒಂದು ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೊದಲೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 200 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬೇಕು, 25 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 100 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಬೇಕು, 50 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅವ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಏನು, 5 kg ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 1 kg ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಬಿ x and y. Okay, according to the question, make some columns. First column is type of cake, first kind, second kind. Number of cakes, first kind of cake be x, second kind of cake be y. Then first kind of cake, flour requirement estiде 200 gram of x, fat required 50 gram of x. Second kind of cake be y, flour required 100 y, fat required 50 y. Find the maximum number of cakes. Add all those things. X plus y, 200x plus 100y. This is flour required. This is fat requirement, 25x plus 50y. So the above statement is nothing but we have to find out the maximize z is equal to total number of cakes x plus y subject to flour constraints 200x plus 100y. At the most, the cake, the flour 5 kg. To convert kg into gram, 5000. This is flour constraints. Then fat constraints 25x plus 50y. At the most 1 kg. At the most 1 kg means less than or equal to. To convert kg into gram, 1000 gram. Both the number of cakes x and y should be positive. Both are positive. Okay. Now this is algebraic expression. Now rearrange. Z is equal to x plus y. Here in flour constraints, common term is 100. So that divide by 100, we get 2x plus y. At the most 50. Here in the fat constraints, divide by 25, 1x plus 2y. At the most 40. Both x and y should be positive. Now convert those two inequality into an equation. Graph of 2x plus y is equal to 50. X plus 2y is equal to 40. Now to find x and y, put x equal to 0, y value 50. Put y value 0, 2x is 50, x is equal to 50 by 2, 25. Here x equal to 0, 2y is 40, y is equal to 20. Conversely, y is equal to 0, that part is 0, x is equal to 40. Therefore, the points are A is the point 0, 50, B is the point 25, 0, C is the point 0, 20 and D is the point 40, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Now draw the graph. X-axis, Y-axis, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 5 unit. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Y-axis also same 5, 10, 15 and so on. Locate those points in X and Y plane. Put X is 0, Y is 50. 0, 50. A point 0, 50. B is the point 25, 0. X value 25, Y value 0. X is 25, Y value 0. This is B point 25, 0. Okay. Then join AB. That line AB is thick line because these two are slack inequality. Similarly, C is the point 0, 20. X is 0, Y is 20. This is C point. D is the point 40, 0. This is 40, 0. Join CD. We got two lines. These two lines intersect at this point E. Now shade the region. So in that case, take the point for our convenient. Put x is 0, y is 0 in given inequality. Clearly x is 0, y is 0. Both the inequalities are satisfied. If it satisfies, the shaded region is towards the origin. Solution region contains the origin. Origin ige near ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So shade the portion. Only common portion. AB ಇದು shaded ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. CD ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Here these two lines intersect at the point E. By inspection method, coordinates of point E is 20, 10. Now we got 4 corner points, namely O, C, E, B. There are 4 corner points O, C, E, B. O is the point origin, C is the point 0, 20, E is the point 20, 10, B is the point 25, 0. Maxima is Z is equal to x plus y. Now here put x is 0, y is 0, z value 0. Put x is 0, y is 20, 0 plus 20, 20. Put x is 20, y is 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Put x is 25, y is 0, 25 plus 0, 25. Among those, which one is biggest? 30. Therefore, maximum value of z is equal to 30 at the corner point E of 20, 10. It means 20 number of cakes for first kind, 10 number of cakes for second kind can be made from 5 kg of flour, 1 kg of fat. Clear students? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 10. ಅಗೇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, 6 mark. A factory makes tennis rackets and cricket bats. ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಏನೇನು? ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್. ಎ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 1.5 hours ಆಫ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 1.5 ಗಂಟೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 hours ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಏನು ರೀ, ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ 3 hours ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ವೈಲ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಐಟಮ್, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 3 hours ಆಫ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೈಮ್. 3 hours ಮಷಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 hour ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. 1 hour ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. 1 hour ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್, 3 hour machine made. In a day, per day, the factory has availability of not more than 42 hours. Per day ಎಷ್ಟು ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? Not more than 42 hours. Not more than 42 hours means less than or equal to 42 machine time, machine work ಆಗೋದು. Whereas 24 hours of craftsman time, man made in a day ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ not more than 24 hours, either 24 or less than 24 hours. Now the question, what number of rockets and bats must be made if factory is to work at full capacity? Complete current ಹೋಗದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆ ಮಷಿನ್ ರನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ how many number of rockets and bats must be made if factory is to work in full capacity? Second one, if the profit on rocket and bat ₹20, ರಾಕೆಟಿಗೆ 20 rupees ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರ, ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ 10 rupees ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕೆಪ್ಯಾಸಿಟಿ. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ LPP ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಐಟಮ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತವೆ, ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್. ಒಂದು ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಷಿನ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 1.5 ಗಂಟೆ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಯಾರು ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ? 3 hours ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ತಯಾರಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೈಮು 3 hours ಇದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಂಟ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋನು 1 hour ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಮಷಿನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪರ್ ಡೇ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 42 hours. Whereas carpentry man, craftsman, maximum availability time not more than 24 hours. Now the question, what number of rockets and bats must be made if factory is to work at full capacity? How many number of bats and how many number of rockets made if factory is to work on full capacity? Second one, if the profit on rocket and bat is ₹20 and ₹10, ಒಂದು ರಾಕೆಟಿಗೆ 20 rupees ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ 10 rupees ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ What is the maximum profit of factory when it work on full capacity? Solve it graphically. Again same type. In previous problem now solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ cake problem, same type. There are two items. Now here how many number of rockets and bats we don't know. Let us assume that let the number of rockets and number of bats to be made in a day be x and y. X number of rockets, x y number of bats. Now make some columns. First column items, second column number of items, then machine time, then craftsman time, maximum profit. Now there are two items, rockets and bats. Now let x be the number of rockets, y be the number of bats. So number of rockets on machine time ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1.5 hours, 1.5 ಗಂಟೆ. 1.5 convert decimal to fraction, that is 3/2. 3 divided by 2 is nothing but 1.5. Now x number of rockets for machine time 3/2 x. X is indicate number of rockets. Then craftsman time, ಅದೇ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ರಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನ 3 hours, that is 3x. ದೆನ್ ಆ ರಾಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನ ಅವನು 20 rupees, that is 20x. Y be the number of bats. Number of bats on machine time 3 hours, 3y. Craftsman time 1 hour, 1y. So profit of bat 10 rupees, that is 10y. Now find the total number of rockets and bats. Add total x plus y, 3/2x plus 3y, 3x plus 1y, maximum profit 20x plus 10y. Okay, now according to the question, then write in algebraically, maximize z is equal to number of items, total number of items x plus y, subject to machine constraints, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3/2x plus 3y. Machine time availability not more than 42 hours, less than or equal to 42, right? Then craftsman time 3x plus 1y. Craftsman time not more than 24 hours, that is 24. Both number of rockets and bats should be positive. This is algebraic expression. Solve it graphically. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಆ್ಯನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 3/2x plus 3y is equal to 42. Here 3x plus y is equal to 24. To find x and y, solve x and y by trial and error method. Put x equal to 0, that part is 0, 3y is 42, y is equal to 3 1s are 3 4s are, that is 14. Put y is equal to 0, this is 0, 3/2x is equal to 42, 3x is equal to cross multiply 84, x is equal to 84 divided by 3, x is equal to 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 24, 3 8s are, that is x is 28, right? Next, put x equal to 0, that part is 0, y is 24, y is equal to 0, 3x is 24, x is 8. We got the points. Therefore points are A is the point 0, 14, B is a point 28, 0, C be a point 0, 24, and D be a point 8, 0. Join the points AB and CD. Okay, now draw the graph. X and y axis, O is the origin, scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. Take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, then 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Similarly here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay. Now locate the points. Points locate madana. Locate those points. X is 0, y is 14. 0, y is 14. This is A is the point 0, 14. Next, B is the point 28, 0. X is 28. Y is 0. 28, 0. Join AB. Both inequalities are slack inequality. It is thick line. Okay. So its equation is its equation is 3 by 2x plus 3y is equal to 42. Next, C is the point 0, 24. 0, 24 here. 0, 24. D is the point 8, 0. This is 8. D is the point 8, 0. Join CD. Its equation is 3x plus y is equal to 24. These two lines intersect at the point E, right? Now there are two parts, upper half plane, lower half plane. Now which plane we have to shade it? Now for our convenient, take the point. Now 0, 0. Put x is 0, y is 0 in inequality 2 and 3. 3y2 into 0, 3 into 0. This is 0 less than 42. Yes. 3 into 0, 0. Y value 0. 0 is less than 24. Yes. Therefore 0, 0 satisfies inequality. Agutala? Inequality 2 and 3. Therefore solution region contains the origin. Contains the origin means is towards the origin. Agar shade madona el barute nodi igida AB satisfied towards the origin. CD satisfies towards the origin. What is common part? I think this is common part. Idaguttella nodri? Yes, this is common part. Correct? This is common part. Share the common part. Common part matra highlight maadi. Okay. Now there are four corner points O, A, E, D. Then what is the coordinates of point E? By inspection method, exact graph nodidre gottagutte. X value 4, Y value 12. Okay. Here four corner points. Yavudu? O, A, E, D. Here O, A, E, D is bounded feasible region. Common portion is known as feasible region. Okay. Now take the corner point. Therefore corner point maximize z is equal to x plus y. O is the origin. A is the point 0, 14. Then E is the point, E point 4, 12. Then D is the point 8, 0. Z is equal to, put x is 0, y is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. z is equal to x is 0, y is 14, that is 14. Z is equal to x is 4, y is 12, that is 16. Put x is 8, y is 0, z is equal to 8. Among those, which one is maximum? 16. Therefore, maximum value of z is equal to 16 at the corner point. At the corner point, yaudu corner point to is the point 4, 12. 4 indicate number of rockets, tennis rackets. 12 indicate number of bats. 4 number of rockets and 12 number of bats made in a day. Okay. Second question. This is first question. Second one. Find the maximum profit. Now here maximum profit. Z is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ rupees 20x plus 10y, that is z is equal to 20. X indicate number of rockets is 4 plus 10. Y indicate number of bats 12. For one rocket profit rupees 20. For 4 rockets that is 80. For 12 rockets 120. Therefore maximum profit is equal to is rupees ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 120 plus 80 200 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 200. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ LPP. ಓಕೆ. 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ the given statement into algebraic expression, then solve it graphically. Okay. Problem number 11. A manufacturer produce nuts and bolts. It takes 1 hour on machine A and 3 hours on machine B. There are 2 machines, machine A and machine B. A manufacturer produces 2 items, namely nuts and nut bolts. So, it takes 1 hour on machine A and 3 hours on machine B to produce a package of nuts. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಮಷಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಷಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಅವರ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ನಟ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮಷಿನ್ನು 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ನಟ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ನಟ್ಸ್. ವೆರಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಷಿನ್ ಬಿ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಷಿನ್ ಎ 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಮಷಿನ್ ಬಿ 1 ಅವರ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರರ್ ಅರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ₹17.50 ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ನಟ್ಸ್. ನಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನವನು? ₹17.50 ಆನ್ ನಟ್ಸ್. ವೆರಾಸ್ ₹7 ಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ₹7 ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ should be produced each day. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಹಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಮಷಿನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 12 hours a day. At most 12 hours means either 12 hours or less than 12 hours, not more than 12 hours. Per day machine ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಅವರ್ಸ್? 12 hours. Now solve it graphically. Same question. Again there are 2 items, nuts and bolts. Now let x be the number of nuts, y be the number of bolts. Now make some columns. First column item, second column number of packages. There are 2 machines, time on machine A, time on machine B, and maximum profit. Let x be the packages of number of nuts, y number of packages of bolts. Now x number of nuts on machine A, how many hours it takes? 1 hour, that is 1x. For machine B, 3 hours on machine A to produce a package of nuts, 3 hours. For nuts, profit rupees 15 rupees 50 paise X. Number of bolts be Y. So, time on machine A, bolts tayar madlikke machine A how many hours? On machine A is 3 hours on machine A, that is 3Y. 1 hour on machine B, that is 1Y. Maximum profit of bolt rupees 7Y. Now total sum of packages X plus Y, time that is machine A constraints X plus 3Y, machine B constraints 3X plus Y, maximum profit 17.50X plus 7Y. Okay. Now, then write in algebraically. Now the question, maximum profit. So maximize maximum profit. Don't take this one. Adan togonangilla. Maximum his profit. Yaudide? Objective function z is equal to 17.50x plus 7y. Subject to machine constraints. There are two machines. Machine A constraints x plus 3y. Availability of machine for per day at the most 12 hours, less than or equal to 12. This is machine A constraints. Machine A constraints. Then machine B 3x plus y, again at the most 12 hours, that is machine B constraints. Machine B constraints. Then both number of nuts and bolts should be positive. Okay? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ convert given inequality into an equation. 1, this is second inequality, this is third inequality. Graph of x plus 3y is equal to 12, 3x plus y is equal to 12. To find out the points x and y, x, y, put x equal to 0, that part is 0, 3y 12, y is 4. Put y is 0, x is 12. Similarly here to find x and y, x, y, put x is 0, y value 12, put y is equal to 3, x is 12, x is 4. Therefore points are, A is the point, x is 0, y is 4, B is the point 12, 0, C is the point 0, 12, and D is the point 4, 0. Join the points A, B and C, D. Okay. Now draw graph. X and y axis. O is the origin. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2. Take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay. Now here scale 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Locate those points. Points locate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X is 0, y is 4, 0, 4. A is the point, x is 0, y is 4. B point 12, 0. This is B, 12, 0. Join AB. Thick line because both are slack inequality. Its equation is x plus 3y is equal to 12. Next, C point 0 comma 12, 0, 12 here, 0 comma 12. D point 4 comma 0 here, D point 4 comma 0. Join CD. Its equation is 3x plus y is equal to 2. Right? Then shade the reason. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ shade ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? For our convenient, take the point 0 comma 0. Put x is 0, y is 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 less than 12? Yes. Clearly here 0 less than 12. So 0 comma 0 satisfies inequality 2 and 3. Therefore, solution reason contain the origin. Contains the origin. Means towards the origin. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸಿ ಡಿ ಲೈನು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎ ಬಿ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜನ್, ಸಿ ಡಿ towards the origin. Common portion, I think this is common. Yes, this is common portion. Right? This is common portion. Okay, these two lines intersect at the point E. Coordinates of point E, I think 3 comma 3 by using inspection method or by simultaneous equation. Coordinates of point E, here x is 3, y is 3, right? Now here 4 corner points O, A, E, then D. Yes, is bounded feasible reason. Bounded feasible reason. Okay, then corner point. Then maximum profit Z is equal to 17.50x plus 7y. Yes. So first corner point origin 0, 0. Second corner point A is the corner point 0 comma 4. Then E is the corner point 3 comma 3. D is the corner point 4 comma 0. Z is equal to, put x is 0, y is 0, that is 0. Z is equal to 17.50 into 0, 0. 7 into y value 4, that is 28. Z is equal to 17.50 into 3. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 17.50 into 3, 52.50. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Plus 7y, that is 21, plus 21, that is 73.50. D is the point 4 comma 0, 17.50 into 4, 70. So among those, which one is maximum? 73.50. Therefore, maximum profit Z is equal to rupees 73.50 at the corner point. ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು? At the corner point 3 comma 3. First number represent x, second number represent y. So first number represent x means that is 3 packages of nuts, 3 packages of bolts to be produced for 1 day. So maximum profit 73 rupees 50 paise at the corner point 3 comma 3. That is 3 packages of nuts and 3 packages of bolts are ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? 3 ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 3 ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ some more problems, that is word problem, in next class. Okay students, thank you.